Okay, on the version 2, let's work with the switches. It looks like my iCEBreaker board has 3 switches on it. And can you make the LED blink at different rates depending on which switches I am pressing? Account for only one switch down at a time. Now I have a push-to-talk interface that I worked on. It's written in Python for my, and basically if I hold down the home key on my keyboard and talk and then let go, it transcribes everything using Whisper, and then it copies and pastes it right into the current window that I have in focus. Oh wait. Start this in a new directory called blinky switches. Now I had to stop it there with an escape key because it looks like it was going to modify the files, and I don't want that. I want it to do all the work in a new directory. Put a dash in the directory name. Now you'll see that I'm adding commands in it while it's working on it, and it will eventually see that I wanted an additional change at some point, and it's going to change everything around here. Okay, so it changed that. It changed the directory. It created. Let's go upper directory over here. We're going to go into blinky switches. We're going to do a make here. We're going to make prog. Now it found this somewhere. Okay, we'll have to go figure out where it is here. And it added it to my, looks like I have more on my iCEBreaker pin description file. Yep. Okay, that grew a little bit. And I programmed it, so it should work. So let's see. Did I, yeah, I programmed it. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. So spin switches are set for PMOD one. You may need to edit if your switches are in different P. Okay. What PMOD or switches do you have connected? Let me see here. So I have a file over here. I have the schematic right here. And where are those switches? Oh, right here. Looks like P2, 9, 4, and 10. Okay, P2, 9, P2. Schematic says P2, 9, 4, and 10. All right. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll find out. Oh, no, that's not going to work. No. Let's look at this again here. Single PMOD. It is on. Where's our guy here? P2. P2, 9, 4. Where is it? Oh, here we go. P2, 9, 4, and 10. It's on pin 18, 19, and 20. Actually, it's on 18, 19, and 20. All right. So we're going to make it over here. We're going to do make prog. And we're going to see if this works. All right. All right, well, that was doing something. Okay. So where are we going wrong? Let's look at the Verilog file. Oh, let's look at the pin description file. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. Yeah. All right. So if it's medium speed fast, very fast. Okay. P2, 9, 4, and 10. 9, 4, and 10. Oh, yeah. And it looks like it is pull up. So if it's high, so if it's high, they're active low. I think you have the logic reversed. All right, then over here we need to make it. All right, let's try this. There's one. There's fast. This is very fast. It's so fast you can't even see it. Let's slow. That's a little faster. Really fast. Can't see it. Okay, so that's done. Thanks for watching.